Hello everybody, this is Jared Passey, and this is one of our trading strategy videos. This video is on the Head and Shoulders chart pattern trading strategy. There are many ways that people look at the Head and Shoulders pattern and different ways that people trade it. I have developed my own strategy that works really well, keeps me with a positive risk-reward ratio, and gives me a higher percentage of wins than losses when the patterns are working. So let's go through some of the steps. First of all, if you're not aware of a Head and Shoulders pattern on our stock charts, on our Forex charts, then what we have is in a reversal, let's say you have an upward trend and a retracement, upward trend, retracement, upward trend, and then we get some kind of a larger retracement, another move, and then this right here is what constitutes the Head and Shoulders. This is a completed Head and Shoulders formation, and the key elements in a Head and Shoulders formation are these three legs, okay, and these two legs, and typically people will look for trying to capture some of this leg as the Head and Shoulders. Once this formation is formed till at least about here, then people are looking for where to get in on this formation. Now most sites will tell you to draw a line across the neckline, which is what this is called. This is our right shoulder, our left shoulder, our left neckline, our head, right neckline, right shoulder, and they will tell you to capture this trade after it breaks through the neckline, because that's the confirmation that we're in a downward trend. Okay, I don't believe in trading it that way. What I want to do is I want to find this. I want to find this entry area right here to capture this thing coming down. And that gives me a smaller risk-reward ratio, a more profitable risk-reward ratio, and it allows me to capture the trade in advance, which means I get more pips. So let's look at this on actual charts. Let's clean that off. Right now we are looking at the Euro-US dollar on a 30-minute chart, and what we can see is the market has moved up, retraced, given us a low, moved up again, and is now retracing. Okay, let's look at this step forward a bit. Alright, now so far what we have is this is two moves. We've got a retracement here that's pretty close to here. One of the requirements for Head and Shoulder is that this right neckline has to come pretty close to, if not beyond, the left neckline. Otherwise, if it doesn't come anywhere close, if it only comes to like right here, then you may just be in a continued upward trend. And what we're looking for is this to come down quite a bit of the ways. What we're looking for is this to come down most of the way, if not more than. The ones that come down beyond this level are really good Head and Shoulders trades. So let's take a look at this. What we would do with our strategy in place, once we have this pattern right here, is we would start with drawing a horizontal line across the top of the left shoulder. So there's our horizontal line. And then we would draw a parallel trend line. Okay, we use what we call equidistant channel on MetaTrader. Use the equidistant channel tool, it's right here, and you would draw your first line right across there, and that will create a parallel line on your charts. So you will drag that line up to the top of your left shoulder. So that's pretty close to parallel. And what that does is that gives you an angle on your charts for the entry position for that trade. So we're looking to enter this trade somewhere between 3,700 and 3,725. And that's going to help us in a continuation of a downward move. That's going to be, we're going to try to catch the start of this move down. Alright, so let's clear that and take a look at what happens here.